My name is Tomoko Onuki from Rice Culture. I make organic miso and koji, and we're based on the Gold Coast. So the ingredients for miso is simple. It's only rice, soybean, and salt. Yet there's a lot going in the process. We only use Australian organic ingredients. We steam the rice and we ferment the rice with a culture called koji. It produces a lot of enzymes using the rice as its food. And once the koji is ready, it can ferment anything. The hardest part in making miso is making the koji, because if you don't get the koji right, you're not going to go anywhere. A lot of people know miso from Japanese restaurants and also from other Australian restaurants that serve miso in their dishes. People know miso. I say I'm a miso maker, and people go say, oh yeah, miso. So we want to make the best miso in the world. And to do that, I really believe that we need to do it by hand, because it might seem like a long way to go, but it's actually the fastest way to go to make the best miso. So we're doing everything the traditional way, and I don't think, not even people in Japan are doing everything by hands. But I feel that being mechanizing, doing machines, it's not necessarily the only way to move forward. To do things the traditional way in this modern world is, in a way, an innovation in itself. Here at Rice Culture, we want to win the President's Medal because we really want people to know about our wonderful tradition, because miso belongs in every kitchen.